Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Seema and you are watching me on Seema Spoken English. Friends, I listen most of the time to women. How can we learn English? We have lots of work. We have no time to learn English. We have no time to do study. But I want to tell you, you can watch the video of English with Dehati Madam. She is the hardest woman. She is doing work on the farm, in the home, but still she is doing study. She never attend any class. She never join any class. She is doing hard work and she is doing study and she is doing practicing every day, and nowadays she has 1 lakh above subscriber and she teach. Now she is taking some conversation to the stranger or some woman. So friends, she has so many work. She has also not time, but she given time, and while cooking, while doing work, she is talking in English and she is improving their English. I also motivated with Dehati Madam. She is doing very hard work. She is belong to very poor family and she has lots of work. You can see in the village women, they are doing lots of work as compared to women in the city. They have not more work, but you can see in a village they will have to do farm works and housework. So many works, so many responsibility, but she is doing. So why we not? We also improve our English. We can give 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes per day in English. So why we will not improve our English? Why we are giving excuse? We are watching TV. We are watching serial in Hindi. It's not good. That time we can give this time for watching some movie in English, some serial or some videos in English, so it will be helpful for us and we can learn English and we can teach our children. Okay, our younger, our sister, our brother or anything else. When I will get job, so that time we have to learn English, and English is the international language. We will have to learn that language. Otherwise, most of the time we are rejected because our English is not good. So you can do practice, and if you want to do practice while conversation, so you can give me a message in the description box. I will talk to you and I will teach you how to speak, how to do conversation. Really friends, I had no idea how to speak English, but now I am speaking English. I am trying to speak English. Why? Because I am doing practicing. If you do practice every day, so you will learn your English. You can speak English. Most of the lady, they are thinking English is a so tough language. We can't learn that language. But it's not real. If you talk every day, so you can also improve that language. Most of the women, they don't want to go to the school, their parents meeting, because school and colleges teachers are speaking in English, so they have so many fear about English. How can we give answer? And sometimes they are hesitate. They feeling guilty. So why we will feel guilty? We are also educated. It's only thing we have no idea how to speak in English. So how can I not improve that language? We can improve. We can easily improve. We have lots of time. We have just work in the farm and in the home. Suppose one lady, she is living in the city. She has no work in the farm, so she is free in a whole day. So why she is not spending time in English? Why she is not listening in English some speech or some podcast, some story book? she will really, if she learn every day, if she listen every day, so she can speak in English. So it's my humble request to all, not only for women, it's for all students. You can give time for 30 minutes per day for speaking English. Hybrid application also available. Hello Talk also available. You can use that applications. You can connect with the stranger. There are so many strangers. They are also want to improve their English. So you can talk 30 minutes, 50 minutes. It's free of cost. You have no need to pay any money. So you can give time for that. You can learn something to that people. They are also educated and they can suggest you how will be learn English, how will be a fluent speaker. Okay, so you can talk and you can do practice. You can learn some vocabulary. You can learn mostly 5 words in English per day. So you can also improve your vocabulary. Okay, so it's my suggestion. Please friends, you can do practice in English. You will be fluent in English and you will be speak in English. Don't take guilty. Don't feel guilty. It's my humble request. You can do study. Thank you for watching.